Alright, on the CRV. There's your bolt right there. That's a big 17mm right there. Then your filter on the side. Right there. So this is the front of the engine right there. You just pop it out. Take it out right now. Alright, now that that's in, I used a special spanner wrench to take that out. It's a lot easier. Sometimes they tighten it too much by hand. You always want to look for a double gasket. That one doesn't have any, so I'm just going to clean it off with a blue shop towel. Put the new one in. I pre-fill it, so I'm going to pre-fill it, lubricate the O-ring, put it back in, and then put in 4.6 quarts in the engine. Alright, cleaning phase, put the rag around it. Ready? Alright, I use an oil filter right here. Obviously we're going to use Schaefer's 020 9000. Pre-fill once. Take that excess, lube them around, even though these do come pre-lubed, but I always like lubing them up. So just gonna go ahead, pop the filter back in. Yes, I am in the streets today. So I'm gonna just put that filter back in there. Spin it back in there. Let's do it hand tight. And that should be it. Put them feeling around my fingers, make sure that there's an even mating surface. But knowing that the thing just spun on there real easy, I know it's on right. And that's it, that's pretty tight. Alright, so here's the oil cap. You move it counterclockwise, take it out, pour the oil in. And then you check the level over here, pull out your dipstick. And if the camera stays still enough, you can see the oil level. There's the dipstick all dry and clean. Put it in there real quick. And there's your oil level.
Route 568 eastbound to Sheridan.
I'm sorry guys, this phone is not helping me out too much. I'm trying to focus in, but it won't. It's just above the top dot, just by a little bit. Well, it's just so clear you can't see it, but it's there. And that's it. Tighten up this. And if there's any oil reset, I'll add it as another part of the video. So as for the oil reset, you're gonna push and hold it down for 10 seconds. So it starts flashing. Then you're going to release and press and hold it down for 5 more. And that should be back to 100%. That's it. That's the oil reset.